How to recover an Azar suspended account. Now in this quick video, I'm providing you an additional information on recovering your suspended account on using Azar. So first, if your account being banned or being restricted, you will not be able to do anything from the application or even you log in into your account from their official site. So all I have to do is to go azarlive.com and then scroll all the way down from here. And then you will see these options or field right here. What you need to do is to click the option that says customer service. In here, you can go ahead and read on articles and as to why your account being suspended. You can review their terms and conditions. And then you can also go down. And then if you choose an option here that says did not find an answer, you can choose on submit a request. This is actually appealing on the decision of Azars and for you to be able to recover your account. Under category, what you want to do is choose on account and then choose on the specific issue. Now complete this whole form right here. The description of the issue must be specific so that the customer service under their end should be able to help you out as to why your account being suspended, if it is recoverable or not. And that's it. That is how you recover an Azar suspended account.